Well, we did it for once. We were warmer than average today in the Tri-Cities. Hit 50 degrees for our high today. Look at the record low for today. Yeah, well, not anything greater than 1. Very chilly back in 1964. Thankfully this morning not as cold, 22 with a record or normal temperature there around 25. Had a little bit of freezing fog this morning too. That was interesting to see. Now as we go into tomorrow, notice we have some rain and snow around in the morning. Then temperatures not really warming up too much in the afternoon. Only in the upper 30s, low 40s across the region. As we look town by town, that's generally where we'll place most towns tomorrow, in the upper 30s to low 40s as we go through the day on Friday. So kind of a chilly into the work week here, and a kind of chilly weekend coming up too. We're not going to warm up too much Saturday or Sunday. The reason for that is this system here in the Midwest causing a lot of problems across parts of the northern plains into Iowa, parts of Wisconsin, Minnesota, even into parts of Illinois. Heavy rainfall associated with this. Blizzard conditions across parts of the plains. Thankfully, not going to see that here, but we will see that wind ushering in some colder temperatures as we go on the backside of this front here later on Friday. Notice the rain here early on Friday, some snow in spots, but the greater chance for snow region-wide will come in what we call scattered snow burst late Friday and into Saturday. You can see them moving in here on Future Track as we go into the morning of Saturday, giving us light accumulations in parts of the region. I'll show you a closer view of this because I want to kind of pinpoint a few areas here, especially the higher terrain across parts of Leslie County, Harlan, Letcher counties, Lee County, and Wise County. Towards the Pine Mountain, Black Mountain area, you notice here around 8 a.m. Friday morning, some snow falling. Same thing into parts of the Clinch Mountain Range through parts of Russell County, into the Holston Mountain Range here on the eastern side of Sullivan County, and into the higher terrain of North Carolina and Tennessee. We see that snow. But for the valleys, you notice most of the area staying green, which means rain for Friday morning. Now, Friday afternoon, a little bit of sunshine returns. Then the clouds work their way back in. Here we go into the overnight, and by around 3 a.m., there comes those scattered snow showers, snow bursts moving through, where you see this darker blue shading here. That's the potential for us to see some heavier snow bursts, and those could put down a trace to an inch of snow in a short period of time as they move through the region. So let me show you the snowfall totals here with this. I'm talking relatively light totals here for that first one tomorrow morning, mainly in the higher terrain in those areas of parts of southwest Virginia where we have the temperatures a little cooler. Nothing for the Tri-Cities, but for the Saturday time frame, you do notice a little bit of that gray shading to that white shading. That's a trace to an inch amount for parts of northeast Tennessee and southwest Virginia. Be kind of scattered though. Your neighbor down the street could see more or less than you see in the same community. Now those snowbursts though, do be mindful of those as we go into Saturday morning. If you're out driving early with the temperatures down below freezing, we could quickly see a coating of snow on many roads across the region, so want to make you aware of that. Saturday, highs in the 30s. Sunday, yeah, once again, kind of chilly across the area. At least we'll see a little more sunshine on Sunday. Next weather maker is a system that's going to come in for MLK Day. That'll give us some scattered snow showers once again for Monday. Seems like a trend on Mondays across the area here. Then we look towards later on next week, towards more of the Thursday time frame, and you'll notice some moisture pushing in as early as Wednesday, but another batch of moisture may try to work into our region on Thursday, and some of that could have some heavy rainfall associated with it. So we're going to watch next Wednesday into Thursday closely as temperatures start to warm up to near 50 once again. Overnight lows in the 20s and 30s through the next 7 days.